everybody, and welcome back to my channel. I feel so weird. I haven't been hardly doing any like regular videos lately, which is fine. I just kind of needed a break. I will possibly still be doing a Walgreens haul and a CVS haul this week. I just wanted to just stay home and hang out with my family. That was the first Sunday since, yeah, I can't remember the first Sunday that I did not go couponing, so I just needed a break. But I'm here to share with you guys what I got at Walmart. Now, I don't know what it is, but with Ibotta lately, Ibotta hasn't been having the greatest deals. I mean, there are times where I've gotten so much stuff, and I feel like it's just little by little by little. And you can also tell by, like, the bonuses are trying to give you more money because not many people are doing Ibotta, I think. I mean, in the past, it used to be like, oh, you get $1 bonus if you get like this. Now they're doing like $5 bonuses if you get so many rebates. So it's kind of weird, but for level 1, I just needed 10 rebates, and I had everything on my list, and I wanted to get some other stuff, but nothing was working out in my favor. So I only got a couple. I was just short of hitting level 1, which is okay. I'm really hoping to finish level 4 this month. But anyways, I'm here to share with you guys what I got at Walmart. So first deal you guys want to do are these Forto coffee shots. I'm actually excited to get these because my mother-in-law wanted these for Christmas, so I'm getting her these for Christmas. There was 2 different flavors in the past. It was like a vanilla one and the chocolate one. They only had the chocolate one, and my husband said he really liked the vanilla one, so I'm really searching for the vanilla, but you know what? I'm not going to make a big deal about it because these are free. So these were $1.98. Now there are $1 off coupons that you guys can print off of coupons.com. You guys want to use 2 of those, you guys would end up paying $1.96 for the both of these. But you guys need to buy 2 of them to get the Ibotta rebate. So buy 2, you get $1.98 back with Ibotta. So with those coupons factored in, these come out to be free and a 2-cent moneymaker. So definitely do that. I hate being out of breath. I just had some chocolate milk, and I'm like, I wish I didn't drink it all, and I did it down here because I'm like thirsty. So did that deal for you guys. I ended up doing Excedrin. Excedrin was $3.84. There is a $1.50 off coupon that is on coupons.com to print. You guys would pay $2.34. You guys can submit a $2 rebate on Ibotta, making this just 34 cents. So, you know what was funny is, like, a lot of my stuff that I was gonna get was like the last one at the store. Like, there was like 3 items I think that I got which was the last item. I'm like, score! So 34 cents I think is a pretty good deal. The next deal I got is the Johnson's powder. Again, this was the last one they had. So this was $2.86. I used a $1 off coupon that is available on coupons.com. You guys would pay $1.86 for this, but then you guys can submit a $1 rebate on Ibotta, making this just 86 cents. And I'm pretty excited. I actually like baby powder, and it's not just for babies, but I mean, if you guys need to like soften up or something, it's pretty good. And it smells good. I'm so excited to start using baby powder again. I think I used baby powder on Ben until he stopped wearing diapers, because he'd always get like a little bit of a rash. So, perfect thing for that. I ended up getting the Febreze in wash. Now, if you guys still have those coupons, that is awesome. Those coupons don't expire till December 2019. So you still got another year left of using those coupons. So if you guys still have them, there are from the June. Back in June, I still have them. But if you guys can't get them, there are coupons on the Febreze in wash. I know a couple of you guys were having problems getting those coupons to print, so I don't know. I haven't printed them off in a while, but still wanted to share with you guys with these. So this was $8.84. You guys use that $4 off coupon that we have. You guys would pay $4.84 for this, but then you guys can get $3 back with Ibotta, making it just $1.84. So, wanted to share with you guys on that. So, it's not the greatest deal, but hey, I think $1.84 for something that's $9 is a pretty good deal. So, we got that. Dime Tap. It's getting to be cold season. I'm pretty lucky. Ben has not been sick. Ben has not been sick yet, but this says it's for. No, you're not sick. But this says it's for ages 6 years and older, so he's still a little too young. Weight-wise, he fits fine, but I don't know. Sometimes it's hard to say. But these are $5.82. There's a $2 off coupon that we just received, and if you guys don't have that coupon, there's also a coupon that is on coupons.com that you guys can print off. You guys would pay $3.82 for this, but then you guys can submit a $2 rebate on Ibotta and a $2 rebate on Saving Star if you added that. Now, I always, every Sunday morning, I go to that app and I always add my deals. I used to make a video for it, but not a lot of people were interested, so I kind of stopped doing it. But this comes to be an 18-cent moneymaker, so absolutely free. I did want to do that deal at Walgreens, but I'm just like, you know what, I'm gonna do it at Walmart because why not? I got my pajama pants on instead of my, yep, I have to wear my maternity pants now. And it's just like, it's weird wearing normal pants because I've been wearing my maternity pants for like 2 weeks now, so it's like, oh, so weird. Okay, the next deal I got is the Biotene mouthwash. This was $3.47. I used a $1.25 coupon on coupons.com. You guys would pay $2.22 for this, but then you guys will get $2 back in Ibotta, making it 22 cents. So that's a pretty good deal if you guys were interested in something like that. The next deal I got is Aquafresh toothpaste. Now, this was $1.67. You guys would pay $1.67 for this. But then on Ibotta, there is a 75-cent rebate for Aquafresh. Plus, I had a 25-cent any toothpaste rebate. So I ended up getting that. So I ended up getting this just for 67 cents. Not the greatest deal. I usually say you should always pay under a quarter for toothpaste. Most of the time, get it free. But I wanted to get Ibotta deal, so I wanted to share with you guys with that. I ended up getting the Albanese. Now, I wanted to do this last time I did an Ibotta haul, but my store was sold out. And then I'm like, okay, it's been 3 weeks since I've been to Walmart. And I'm like, how do they still not have it? But I found it. But it is the Albanese sour gummies. I don't know if I'm saying this right. Yeah, Albanese, world's best. Start sour, stay sour. I'm not a sour person. So, these were $1.98. You guys would pay $1.98 for this. But then you guys would get you guys would get $1 back with Ibotta, making it just 98 cents. So $1 for some gummies, go for it. These are great for stocking stuffers or gifts. If you guys are doing gift baskets or gift bags for somebody for Christmas, you want to give them some goodies, go ahead and give them some candy. You can't go wrong with candy. Now I'm losing my voice. That's awesome. Next deal, Johnson's Baby Creamy Oil. I always kept looking at the regular oil, and I never realized that I could just get the oil, like, lotion stuff. I don't know what this smells like. Let's see. Oh, it's sealed. That's good. I don't know. I never really I didn't even know if this existed when Ben was born. It was kind of weird. But this was $3.92. There might have been a cheaper one. If there was, my store didn't have it or they were sold out. use a $1 off coupon that we got on coupons.com. You guys are paid $2.92 for this, but then you guys can submit a $1 rebate on Ibotta, making it just $1.92. So I just wanted to do that because I got a baby coming, and I wanted to show you guys, you know, some deals in case you guys are interested in doing some baby stuff. I know spring is a great time for people to have baby showers, so, you know, cold winter. So yeah, just wanted to share with you guys on those deals. But yeah, that was my haul. Wasn't the greatest. I wanted to get in and out, but I couldn't because I have Benjamin. Benjamin, we have to go down every single toy aisle, and then we have to go down this aisle and that aisle. Starting next week, he will be starting to go to school on Mondays, so I can start going my couponing hauls before he gets done with school. So there's that going on right there. My total came to $21.36 for everything. I ended up receiving $15.98 back with Ibotta. Now I did also get a 20-cent or 25-cent any receipt. Yeah, no, something like that, I don't remember. But I ended up getting $15.98 back. And then I will also be getting $2 back on Savings Star. So my total came to $3.38 for 10 items. That comes out to be just 34 cents a piece. I think that's a pretty good deal. I mean, all that stuff for like under $4, $5, that's a great deal. I always roll my gift cards. Now, one thing, if you guys haven't watched my videos before, you guys don't have to have any money on your Walmart account. All you do is just open the app, turn Walmart Pay. When the cashier is still scanning, scan that code with your app, and it'll automatically connect, and then you guys just pay however you guys want to pay. So if you guys want to pay credit card, cash, whatever, you guys can pay whatever you guys want to pay. When you get your receipt, because you want to make sure you get a receipt. When you guys get your receipt, you can submit your receipts to the Ibotta and stuff. But you got to go back on the app and submit your receipt to Savings Catcher. So if you guys are not sure on that, I still need to make a video on that to advise you. I want to do it while I'm in the store, but it's really hard. I think I might do it when Ben's not with me. I still want to show you guys a video of what printer I use. I have a Brother printer. It's kind of pricey, but I've had it for almost 2 years, a year and a half maybe, and I've only changed the ink on it once or twice, and I print like crazy, you guys. I print like a whole book. So just giving you guys a heads up, I will be doing that on a video. If you guys want to see me do more videos, please let me know. I'm into making videos as long as I don't have to go anywhere. I just want to stay at home a lot lately, just like relaxing. I just want to sit at home and watch Christmas movies. It's crappy outside. It's cold. It's cold, and I got the hiccups now. But it's cold, and like yesterday it rained all day, and then we had freezing ice, and it's like I'm sick of Mother Nature. So just want to give you guys a heads up. If you guys need me to make some updated videos, please let me know. But I have a lot more in store for you, and I'm going to try to do more things, you know. And I still have a 25,000 subscriber giveaway. I forgot to make a video for that. I just want to say thank you guys for everybody who subscribed. The other day I hit 25,000 subscribers. It was awesome. It was like the day after I found out I was having a little girl. So I'm going to be doing a giveaway. My husband wants to be involved, so we're going to kind of do a double giveaway. We're just trying to figure out what we want to give away. It will be some gift cards and maybe something else, but just want to give you guys a heads up on that. And again, thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys all later. Bye-bye.